Welcome to everybody watching today. As you can see from the screen, we are going to be tackling active and passive voice. And we've made a note there that it's in the continuous form. But in order to do that, of course, we'll have to take a look at the simple form as well. So let's get started. Here we have the active voice in the simple form, and the best way to explain this is to use examples. Now here we have the sentence in the active voice, and the action is then being done by the subject. Here is an example. You've got the Palesa as the subject, and what's she doing? Buys stationery. You've got the Springboks win the match. Oh yes, the Springboks are the subject, of course. The principal drove the bus. Finally, the artists painted pictures. Now, in each case there, you see the subject of the sentence highlighted in red, and of course, that's who or what is doing the work. Then you have the passive voice in the simple form. Now, you'll see there when the sentence is in the passive voice, the action is being done by the object. Let's take a look, and we'll use our same sentences as the examples. You've got there, this time, stationery is bought, there's your verb, by Palesa. Okay, here we've got the match is won by the Springboks. Oh, I loved watching that match. Here we have the bus was driven by the principal. And of course, you've got pictures were painted by the artists. Right? As you can see, in each case, action is now being done by the object of the sentence. Now we've got active voice in the continuous form, and this is self-explanatory as soon as you see the examples. And of course, here, just a reminder, the action is being done by the subject when it's active voice. And you'll notice here, it's no longer Palesa buys stationery. It's now got Palesa is buying stationery. Slight difference there. It's happening right now. It's something that's being done as we are speaking. And we have there, the Springboks are winning the match. Oh, I love that. I couldn't resist slipping this one in. It's my favorite. Okay. And we have the principal was driving the bus. It's something that's an ongoing thing at the point when the speaking is being done, and the artists were painting the pictures. Right? Very clear examples just to show you these small differences. Finally, we've got the passive voice. Remember, in the passive voice, and this is continuous form again, the action is being done by the object, just a reminder there. And here we've got stationery is being bought by Palesa. See Palesa at the end again, but obviously it's something that is going on right now. And we've got there again, passive voice, continuous form. The match is being won by the Springboks. Why do I always get excited when I say that? And the bus was being driven by the principal. You see that? Also continuous form. You see the difference between the simple and the continuous. And pictures were being painted by the artists. Work in progress. I'll leave you with a few notes. Take a look here. Now, most English sentences, over 90% of them, active voice. That's because there are so many sentences that cannot be written in the passive voice, and usually active voice is more effective. But the passive voice is used, you see here, when you want to change the focus of the sentence. And let's take a look here at another detail. In the passive voice sentence, the object is sometimes not included. Here are a few examples. Take a look at this. You get a message on your phone. It won't say this. You see, this is in the active voice. You must pay this account within a week. What you're in fact going to get on your phone is, this account must be paid within a week. And you don't have to say by you. Obviously, it's by you because the message is addressed to you. So in this particular instance, the passive voice is the effective one. Then, there we are. The goalie skillfully deflected the ball past the post in the active voice. No, the focus would rather be on the ball. So let's take a look at it in the passive voice. The ball was skillfully deflected past the post. And of course, you can put in there by the goalie, but you don't need to, because obviously it was done by the goalie. That's how soccer works. Okay, finally, let me leave you with this. Please give this little quiz a go. I guarantee you're going to enjoy it thoroughly. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed presenting it.